What do we got here? Man, these guys are close. Oh, there's a couple others hiding back here too. All right, here we are at home base. It's about an hour before sunset. Partly cloudy skies. The sun's kind of dipping in and out of the clouds, so we have some varying lighting conditions. And it's pretty windy. You can see probably the trees moving behind me. Now, last wildlife drive, we did a different route up here, still starting at home base, than what we normally do, and I think we're going to do the same thing today. This other route actually climbs about 1,000 feet in elevation, and since it's been so hot around here, I'm thinking the elk and deer are going to stick to the cooler temperatures up there versus down here. The main drive from at least home base actually goes about 100 feet lower because it dips into a canyon and then kind of plateaus for the rest of the drive. We don't have a lot of light left. It's just hit golden hour, so let's get packed up.
The lightning shows my weakness, the thunder knows my secrets, the storm is like a brother, it knows me like no other, so let it rumble, let it roll, cause it's all I know. You can keep your calm and easy, but that peaceful life ain't for me. The harshest gales call out from the tree, like it can sense the reckless in me. And when the clouds roll in, it's like I'm home again. Don't need your safe and sound, let the rain come down.
We've had quite a bit of fires surrounding our area, so they're finally starting to dissipate as well as the smoke around us. It's so nice to finally just see clearly. Nothing through the first set of curves up the hill, but I'm not exactly shocked. I thought they'd be a little bit higher than this. Still good to keep a lookout though, especially on the road, because, you know, it'd be a bad day if I hit one. Alright, we're starting to get into the country where I expect to see them. Man, that light is gorgeous. I picked a good day to come out.
Good thing going, then laid it all down. It's been 500 days since I've left town, and I don't remember why I drove away, knowing that I want you back someday.
This is exactly the same place that I saw the deer last time on last wildlife drive. I wonder if she'll stick around for me to get a photo. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, that looks nice.
The long drives on an open road, and a Sunday afternoons, I'm tired of living this beautiful life without you.
I will never say no to a close-up. She's not directly in the light, but I still like it where she is. It's still bright enough to where I can shoot in the shadows and not worry so much about having such a high ISO, so I can still get a clean image. Oh, now she's eating some grass.
I wish you were there for that desert ride,
Silly girl.
and watch how the stars lit up the night.
Oh, okay, she's gone now. Okay, let's continue.
I've seen things you've seen in a dream.
Man, that light goes fast.
Turn to nightmares when you're not with me.
No, please stay in that light. Oh, don't walk away. Ah, dang it, she's walking away.
I'm weary of all the sunsets, all the yellow and orange and red.
Okay, I'm still getting some shots of them. I got this really cool orange sunlit back area, so I'm still happy with it, but man, that lighting right when I pulled in before I got out was just perfect, and they were so close that would have made for such a good shot. Oh well, it's wildlife. You can't exactly pose them.
Without you,
right, time to get moving again. Yeah, we're almost out of direct sunlight, but we can still shoot in the shadows for a little bit before it gets too grainy. That's the nice thing about continually climbing a hill, is just because you run out of sunlight at your level wherever you are, if you drive up a little bit farther, that higher point is still in the sunlight. So hopefully we'll get a couple extra minutes just out of climbing like that. What do we got here? I see a couple babies ahead crossing the road right now, and a tiny little buck. I wonder if the buck will let me get a shot.
Without you.
Yeah, that's a nice shot. I like that. Definitely pushing my ISO at this point, but the colors are still there, which I really like. He's still got a little bit of light direction on him. Might be grainy, but it's just a cool shot. All right, we're about 20 minutes past official sunset. A marker that I like to use is my headlights. When I can start to see my headlights really clear, that's when I figure it's probably time to call it, or the image is going to be like super grainy, especially on my 6.3 lens. Now, I did this last wildlife drive also, where even though it's too dark, I just continue to go and look for deer, just because, you know, I'm in a good mood, and I'm trying to remind myself that every single photo or video that I take doesn't have to be Hollywood quality. It can just be for fun and sort of document my adventures. So if it's grainy, you know, so what? You get the gist, right? All right, here we go. We got some deer coming up on our left in this field here. Ooh, this one's really close. I wonder if he'll stick around for a shot. That's the hard thing, is when I'm trying to do photos, all I have to do is just kind of handle this, stick it out the window, and make sure I have high enough shutter speed to counteract hand holding it. But for video, when I have to have the tripod up, it means I have to get out of the car and set it up and be outside of the car, which not only takes longer, but it can also scare away the deer or elk or whatever I'm photographing a lot easier. We'll see if these guys stick around. Oh, there's a little buck over there. I think he's going to run over that fence. Man, I just love this meadow so much. It's just such a cool experience to be out here. It's such nice weather with these deer. It's still just so nice to be a part of the moment, no matter how grainy it is. All right, I think it's time to call it. I think it's a pretty good day. Didn't make it as far as I'd like, but we did see some deer. I didn't see any giant bucks, but does still deserve their camera time too.